Gadget Junkie here, bring you guys a look at this CVLIFE mini pocket knife they sent me to showcase for you guys. Guys, this here is a really slick little compact pocket knife. Features a straight edge blade there. It's about just under 2 inches long. It's just under 5 inches all the way extended. It does have a nice little thumb hole there, and it has a flicker. Now this here has a Allen screw here if you want to loosen that so that the blade actually flicks all the way out and locks when you do it. But out of the box, that's what it looks like. It has a locking bar on the bottom. On the top, you've got a bottle opener. You also have a glass breaker there. Put that in your hand. You got just enough hanging out there to break glass in case of an emergency. On the back, you've got your belt clip, and that is made out of metal, and it's extremely strong. As you can see, it's got that U-shaped divot there in it, so when you put that on something, it's going to stay put. I mean, that's incredibly strong. Now, the belt clip also appears to be reversible, so you got 2 screws holding it on there, and you've got some screw holes on the other side there that looks like you can reverse this here for left hand or right hand operation, depending on what your needs are there. They give you a nice little cleaning cloth there. If you're doing something dirty and you need to clean it off, you can do so. But guys, this here is perfect for stuff like opening up letters, opening up boxes, throwing this in a tackle box, cutting some fishing line or cutting some paracord. If you're climbing or something like that. So if you guys are looking for something small, well made, and lightweight, I highly recommend the CVLIFE. Hope this helps.